This is Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal, day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, just a trade journal. And we're on the Friday order flow signal, last day of the year, 12/30/22. And it's all about dry powder. That's king before the 2023 start. So I made my Globex trade in Asia, got a few handles on a short, runners only, no size, because it's all about financial capital preservation, mental capital preservation, and emotional capital preservation. Because you got to ask yourself, is Goldman Sachs top tier traders trading on a Friday, last day of the year, with a full line? Hell no, they're not doing that. And neither are any of these hedgy or large, big scale bank trading firms. So there is a lack of liquidity, and I don't want to be caught. I'd rather start out fresh in January, but I don't like paper trading either. That's why I let a runner go on so I could feel the vibe. So let's go to the charts, take a look, and look at some levels. 24-hour M2K micro futures on the Russell small cap. So what we've got here on the 24-hour candles is 4 candles in a short holiday week, price well below the middle Bollinger Band, so bear's advantage, red arrow, pullback trend sell on the algorithm, and we are having the candle price on Friday Globex here. We're in Europe Globex below T+2 Q4 high, and that was Wednesday. So we're at that high and we've pierced it. And the 3 EMA and the anchored VWAP of Thursday is what we're flirting with right now. The hits, we're at the 0. Cumulative delta, however, all week, all in the red, nothing green here. So bottom line, sure not going to do an end of the year Friday day trade based on this chart, but nothing bullish basically happening on the 24-hour. 120-minute. So what do we know? We know that the price is above the middle Bollinger Band on the red arrow, and it's been that way for several bars here. We also know that price is just tagged the T+2 Q4 high. So that's important to note to see how far we can go below it, or are we going to just go back and try to flirt with this upper Bollinger Band. Note the T+2 Q4 close below here. No major big traders at the institution level are going to really go all in on a Friday end of year, last day of year to trade. So the strength of the hits here, nothing to speak of that's bullish. Cumulative delta, we've got a speck of green here, and pace, nothing to speak of. Again, nothing that invites me wanting to go long or short. So cash is a great place here to be based on this, what I'm seeing. Okay, the Renko chart. So this is compelling just because it's on the lower Keltner. So the first lower Keltner, and we're right above the pivot zone, above 62 here. So again, had this not been a Friday with absolutely low liquidity end of the year, maybe I'd be interested, but nope, sorry, not going to do it. And as far as the order flow hits go, strength of the hits, you can see a lot of the supply distribution blocks. Even though we're on this lower Keltner, we don't have any deep selling here. Same with the cumulative delta, and the pace is nothing to speak of. I just think there's a lack of liquidity, and that's going to amplify the moves either up or down. I don't want to be a part of that. The 5-minute chart, this is the bell of the ball. I really like what this is communicating. So here we are. Europe Globex, price going down. Check out these delta numbers, minus 431, minus 316, minus 200, minus 192. Strength of the hits. We've got some deep selling here on the strength of the hits. Cumulative delta, we're in the red. We've got pace really right here at the all-time high for the whole Globex session, actually. So again, just going to watch this. This is small traders, in my estimation, just trading against each other. Not going to touch this. Let's go to the market profile order flow. So here we go with the market profile order flow, and I'm going to focus right down here on the 2022 T plus 2 year end low level because that's where you had all the bigs, the hedge funds, the mutual funds. If they were going to get rid of some inventory, they did it in the Wednesday RTH, and you can see the low level here. And the point of control is around 1740, and the low comes in 31.3, and this low level's 31 to 37. And here we are, Friday, Globex. Anybody that's long right now has got to be worrying about these single prints from the Thursday RTH. Look at this here. That is not a structure to feel confident about going into the new year. So that's all that's holding this up. The Thursday RTH, because we jacked up, ramped up, and then camped in, and we held. And here we are in Globex, a slow deterioration down. Again, I want no part of this, but I am going to watch it like a hawk because it's all about the open in January that's going to set the tone for Q1. Happy New Year, everybody. Take care. Aloha.